Imagine this. You yourself have the capability to crack someone else's neck anytime, anywhere you want. Today I'm going to teach you the simplest, easiest technique ever. I've watched so many different chiropractors on YouTube. They all have similar positioning, angling and cracking throughout the entire board. Before we start, I just want to say, do not try this at home or anywhere on this planet. This video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not your doctor, I'm not your chiropractor, and definitely I'm not your mom. So let's begin and let me show you how it's done. For beginners, it's best to practice on a pillow first. Here we have the neck and the head, and we're going to demonstrate with the 7-step process. The first step is to warm up the neck area right here by using a rub like this with the hands. Place it right here, place it right here, with your next partner right here and right here. Once you warm it up, step 2 is to bend down the neck, the head. So you feel it on your own. You can feel the cervical spine right here. And then once you bend down, you tilt over. You can feel the tilt right here. So same thing with the pillow. Down and tilt. Down, tilt. Step 3 is to angle up right there. So 1, 2, angle. And then step 4 is to bring your hand on the head, and then with your hand put your thumb on the chin and the fingers on the neck, like this. So something like this, right here, neck, and the head area right here on the back. Something like that, you know? And you do that to your partner. Then down, tilt, angle. And then step 6 is to go like that. So with your own head, you can go down, tilt, up, and then, see, like that. You can try yourself. It cracked on my own. You can try on the pillow, down, tilt, and like that. You can try the other side, the same thing. Just go down, tilt, angle, and use this, and neck right here, and your hand go like that. Down, tilt, angle, put your hand on the head, and then the thumb on the chin, hand on the neck, and then when you twist, not twist, but when you crack, use your palm, push down the head slightly, about 1 or 2 inches, go like that. If it doesn't make a sound, it means that you need to find the resistance. Bend down, go down like this, and once you feel the resistance, then you do the 1-2 inch push. Okay, again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.